Airborne Systems is the #1 company in the world for parachutes. It's a mostly military product, but we have customers all around the world.
The philosophy of the company and the soul of the company resides in really pushing the boundaries, and it's all about leap ahead technology. We are the largest, military parachute company in the world, and our goal is systematically to push the state of the art and to stay at the leading edge of the technology.
Some of the challenges that you experience as a military parachutist obviously are mostly mission related. I mean, trying to navigate to an unknown drop zone when you're in unfamiliar territory, oftentimes doing it at night, certainly quite a challenge to make that happen successfully and safely.
The Panasonic ToughPad was really instrumental in pushing this technology and developing the technology. It combines very, very well. It meets all the requirements that we were looking for. It's rugged, it's small, the screen is really crisp. So, even at night or even in bright sunshine, you can see all the indications. The communication with our system has been flawless so far, so I think it's been a real success for us and a real nice partnership.
So when they jump, they use a Panasonic display, but when they're on the ground, they can use it for the rest of their mission. So they don't have to carry two different equipments. They can use one equipment for the jump and continue to carry it for their mission.
The advantage now of using a ToughPad FZX1 is that you never have to be concerned about the reliability of your navigation device when you're operating in the real extreme conditions of freefall parachuting. The temperature fluctuations that occur when you're jumping at 25,000 feet, the pressure fluctuations that happen when you're jumping at 25,000 feet, there's just not many commercial products that can survive that extreme environment.
Some of the biggest challenges is having displays that we can actually read during the daytime and at night. Most of the time that we get washed out during the daytime, we couldn't actually see the display. One thing I like about this one is the display is readily available even today with bright sun, even with glare. I had no problem at all reading the display. One thing that we really like about it also is that jumpers, because it's cold, always has gloves on. Most displays, you end up having to take your gloves off, or you have to cut a hole in one of your gloves to be able to manipulate the screen. This one, you can manipulate it with your gloves on. You can change screens, you can go open up other apps or other applications back and forth, come back to your NavAid with no issues, no problems. We've actually had these for 2 days already on one charge, and we've had no issues and still have plenty of battery strength.
Having a product like the ToughPad that is already MIL certified with the 810G certification was incredibly helpful, because it was virtually a straight-through integration with our system.
No, that's one of the reasons we like to work with this one, because it's ruggedized and it passes all the mil spec for altitude, temperature, shock, because sometimes the landings are not just as nice as the one you saw. People are tumbling or drop it, but with this display, it's all dirty and there's sand, but it's still working fine.
From our perspective, it's really a ToughPad. It's something that we operate in a very harsh environment. We go to high altitude, freezing cold, rain. When you land on some terrains at night, it's okay. You can drop it. I don't think we've ever broke one. So it's been. Yeah, I have to say it combined with our J-Tracks, with our navigation system, the ToughPad has been the best tablet that was on the market and that was readily available for us.